Olivier Dassault was a French politician and billionaire who served as a deputy in the National Assembly. Born in Boulogne-Billancourt, he was the son of Serge Dassault and his wife Nicole and the grandson of Marcel Dassault. Dassault graduated from École de l'Air as a combat engineering officer and pilot in 1974. He was then a reserve member of the French Air Force. In June 2002, he was elected as deputy for the 1st circonscription of Oise, running on the Union for a popular movement ticket. He was re-elected in 2007. A scion of the founding family of the aerospace engineering company Dassault Group, he worked in a number of roles within the family firm. He was president of Dassault Communications, president of the board of directors of French publisher Valmont, member of the board of the French financial newspaper Journal des Finances, and an administrator of Dassault subsidiary Zac Presse. At the time of his death in March 2021, his net worth was estimated to be $7.3 billion. He was a 1974 graduate of the Air Force Academy and held a master's degree in mathematics as well as a doctorate in business management computing. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.